What's up, everybody? It's Adam here at Apache Village in Hazelwood, Missouri. Right behind me, 175 FQ. We're going to dabble into that guy today, do a short little video on it. Well, you guys know me. Me and short videos don't go together. Like, you'll probably get a couple minutes out of here. But with that being said, if you want to see a little bit longer of a video, I did do a video on this 197 over here. Dabbled into the construction of it. So if you want to get into the construction of the campers and everything of that sort, go over there, look at the 197 on our page. It does talk about the 175 exterior and how it's built with the aluminum siding and 2x2 studs. And again, see, this is me in shorts. We don't get along. So let's get right into it. 175 FQ, Jayco's 25th anniversary. And you'll see that over here on this side. So we went through and changed decals. We changed our exterior siding color. We added the 25th anniversary on there. And then this guy, let me double check before I give you information that's wrong. 17 foot, 3,300 pounds. All right. We changed to a Dometic awning with the LED light that's inside of it, or on the track that's assigned to the side of the camper. We still have the flip down steps. And walking on the back, oh, we changed our circle lights instead of being the little oval ones. Have the Lippert attached ladder on the back. You're gonna have the backup camera monitored, our backup camera prepped. Whew, it's hot out here today. And then you have the 25th anniversary wheel cover. Man, I cannot talk today. But then on this side over here, you got your black and gray tanks that are gonna be down here. Then you're gonna have your 60,000 BTU tankless water heater, city water connection, cable TV hookup, 30 amp disconnect power cord, 30,000 BTU suburban water heater. Then you're gonna have your freshwater tank fill that's there. Here you're gonna have a 30-gallon freshwater tank. But then again, you'll have your A-frame that's there on the front of it with your propane tanks that come standard. And then we will also put a battery on these guys. So that's your exterior of a 175 FQ. And let's go inside. So coming right inside our 175, the one thing you're gonna get with this guy is it is technically, they call it a couples coach. Why? Because it does have a full fixed queen size bed. You have hangers on either side of it. You have a shelf across the top. On either side of the bed, those cabinets, they open up, they're gonna give you storage. Then this bed here is gonna lift up. And as you see, gas shocks hold that bed up. So when you go and do some shopping, you'll notice a lot of our competitors don't have gas shocks on these guys. But then also, if you look, that's plywood. All right, that plywood there is a 5/8 plywood, and we get it from our floor. And again, I'll dabble into that a little bit. 110 outlet, USB ports on this side. Then on the opposite side, we have just the 110 outlet that's over there. Then you're gonna have your emergency exit window, which opens up and it's gonna give you airflow through here. And all you do with that guy, just pop that open. Pop it out like that, and boom, you're ready to go. So now I can feel the air coming through this main door that's behind me. 27, we changed the cabinet colors. We went to a light gray, they call it dune gray. And then you'll have your microwave. We have our stove. Quite a bit of countertop space for a little 17 footer. Two big cabinets that are there. Then you're gonna have your big drawers that are here. Again, full extension ball bearing drawer guides, 75-pound capacity. It's all plywood. Then you'll still have, even on our smaller guys, we're gonna go through and have the 10.7 cubic foot refrigerator. Sorry, this one's 7.7. I was thinking of the other one that I just did. So 7.7 cubic foot refrigerator. So I know a lot of our competitors, when they get in here, they're just gonna give you one that's from here down to the bottom, and that's gonna be your fridge and freezer. So here you actually get the fridge and freezer that are separate. Walking in the bathroom, with the 175, you got a full bathroom across the back. So let's show you guys this here. Huge closet that's there. Tons more storage there. And keep going down, and more storage down there. So we got a ton of storage that's inside here. Quite a bit of countertop space, mirror, towel bar. Then you'll have your controller for your tankless water heater, light switch. storage underneath of here. So if you want to put all your extra stuff, you put a trash can, you got the room for it that's down there. Then we put the toilet directly in the middle. So we have our space that's there for us. And then you have your big shower basin that we see on all of our smaller guys now, because we're getting rid of the tubs to give us a bigger shower basin. Full one-piece fiberglass surround. And then you're also going to have your big skylight that's strategically placed over the shower. But then also you're going to have your vent that's in the bathroom as well. So got all that. Your air conditioner is actually on a thermostat, where most of them that are in this size, in this category, they're actually going to go through and just have all your controls on the roof. So now I can actually set the temperature. Once it gets to 70 degrees, it'll actually shut off for me. Then you'll have all your cabinets above your dinette booth. Then you're going to have your dinette booth that's going to fold down into a bed. So we have all of our storage that's underneath of that guy as well. All right. But then also, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe button. It helps us keep doing what we want to do here to give you guys as much information that we possibly can, to give you guys, you know, the best education you can while you're out shopping. But if you want, come in and see why we say go one better, go Apache Village. Until next time, guys, we'll see you soon.